Hi guys, welcome to my channel Peace. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my famous berry smoothie, which is great for your hair. It's a BIOTIN shake. Okay, it's filled with nutrients and vitamins for your hair. So let me change the camera and you will see what I'm talking about. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, okay, for more cute videos. First of all, you will need berry medley from Walmart. Blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries, or whatever berries you like. I use half of the package. I think this whole package is like $2 or $3. And I use half of it. I put some in here. Those berries are frozen, and of course, I like to eat them like this, by the way. They are so yummy. So I put half of the package in here, because they are just so yummy and I love berries. But you don't need to use all different berries, just use strawberries if you like only strawberries. Then you will need a few bananas. I'm gonna use all of these bananas, 4 bananas, but you can use only 2. So yeah, hold on. Then you will need 1 cup of chopped spinach. It's around this much, so I hope you saw it, how much I put in. It's like a handful or 1 cup. And then I'm gonna use coconut milk, the whole thing of coconut milk. You can, if you don't like coconut milk, then use water or almond milk, whatever milk you prefer. I like to use either coconut milk, or I like to use as well, how you call it, I like to use fat Greek yogurt. So now I'm gonna mix it up. Guys, you don't need to do this, but I love to add some orange juice in here, because it just is extra vitamin C for your health. Okay, so use as much as you want to, or whatever your taste is. If you don't like oranges, then skip this step, but yeah. And I like to use a little bit of olive oil, like 1 spoon of olive oil. And it's because olive oil has a lot of vitamins. So now I'm gonna turn on my mixer again. Guys, the shake is ready. I just tried a little bit. It's so nice and sweet. It's just delicious, guys. You should try it. So guys, this is the finished product, and it tastes so amazing. Let me just pour it in here. So try it. Yum. So good, guys. You guys, cheers. It's delicious. And if you're worrying about if you can taste the olive oil, no, you cannot. Believe me, it just makes the shake smoother. Smoother. It tastes so good, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so good. The spinach is filled with vitamins. The bananas filled with potassium. It's so good for your hair, for your eyelashes. Look how big and thick my eyelashes are. Can you see that? I get so many compliments about my eyelashes, eyebrows. They are thick. I mean, I just did them. My hair is naturally like very thin, but because I'm drinking this, new hair keeps growing. cheers. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe and comment if you like more of these videos. Bye guys.